Well, bon-secours says they are at max capacity at the hospital, but they don't want to keep people out from getting the care they need. The important note they're making tonight.
And they have a message for those who may be skipping out on medical screenings. Fox Carolina's Amber Worthy joins us live with more on that.
Yes, guys, so the fact of the matter is that a lot of people are sick, whether they have COVID-19 or any other condition, and hospital administration is assuring the community that if you need to come to the hospital, you can, and they will make room for you.
If you must come to the emergency room here at bon-secours, at the moment, you won't be turned away despite the fact that they are at max capacity. Their chief operating officer says day to day, they are doing what they can to help the patients that come here, no matter what.
If you would go to the emergency room, then come to the emergency room now. It's very important.
They say members of the community may still have some lingering hesitancy from what it was like earlier in the pandemic.
We saw that a lot of patients were delaying care. They weren't visiting their primary care offices. They weren't following up with their specialist if they had chronic disease. And we were seeing patients that were coming through our emergency room with what had previously been controlled problems, and they were coming in much sicker.
Officials say don't wait until you have to call 911 and be proactive about finding out if you have underlying conditions. Because if you don't feel 100% well, you could transmit any illness to someone with an undiagnosed underlying condition. And that could be deadly.
Don't wait until you really can't breathe to reach out, to make sure that that's not a problem. And if you should be seeing your cardiologist, make sure you're still seeing your cardiologist. So it's really an important time for everybody to really take stock, to focus on themselves, and to advocate for their own health care.
And if money is a reason that you missed any crucial appointments, we have some links for some financial assistance inside of the Fox Carolina News app. Reporting live in Greenville County, Amber Worthy for the 6 o'clock news.